so low. Seeing his face each day, jumping every night, thinking about him always, love felt so right.